Now, if you're not already, let's get you signed up on Bing Ads. Of course, that's going to be really the first step to getting started on actually moving forward with Bing Ads. Of course, what I do recommend is that if you're not 100% clear on exactly maybe who you're going to be targeting as far as for the ads, maybe you might want to get a little bit of clarity as far as trying to get that clear before maybe moving forward. Now, if that is the case for you right now, maybe just take a couple minutes and try to get, a couple ideas as far as who you want to be targeting. I think that this will really help you really throughout this course if you have clarity on that. Although if you already do, that's great. And now let's get started on then really getting signed up. So as you can guess, of course, I have my own Bing Ads account already, but what you do is you can go into either Google or really whatever your search engine is, and here of course you can see my search engine currently is then Bing, and what I have here is you can just of course type in Bing Ads, and then you can then click sign up. Once you get to this page, I'm not sure if this is gonna show me like the main actual sign up page, or it's gonna want me to log in simply because I already have an account. Although when you do get to that page, of course, yes, you're gonna then see something like this, I suppose, and then you'll want to click sign up with Bing Ads. And now this is just where you're going to fill in your information, such as of course your name and I believe your address, things of that sort, simply because you'll be then putting some kind of payment method on there, and usually that's going to be one of two things, either a credit card or sometimes in some cases I think you can hook up your bank account possibly to it. However, what I've currently done is I've put a credit card to it. Of course, that is completely up to you and what you want to do. However, that's just what I've done. And you'll just want to fill in that kind of information there. I'm not going to actually go into that simply because it's just all personal information, and I believe you know how to do that. So it's really quick and simple just to do that. And once you do have that going, then just hold on and then watch my next couple of videos kind of guide you through exactly what you need to know in order to really get started with Bing Ads and start using them. But also I want to go over things even before you start using them to make sure you really have a full understanding of, hey, this is exactly what this means and that button means and all those different things to make sure you have the most success possible on Bing Ads. Now, if you do have any questions at all, please feel free to let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.